Cause it's so hot upstairs.
Okay, fuck all that. Back to this, you eating a whole sweet potato pie by your fat ass self.
Okay, what's wrong with that? I can.
You sit there with a fucking fork and chew that motherfucker
No,
up.
with a spoon.
With a spoon.
Niggas. But they both not in the picture because one of them, which I don't feel like that's his.
That is not happening. Who's about to dance? Can't hear me.
Get your fat ass.
You just told him to come over here. Now you telling him to get out?
I'm gonna get the fuck out. That's what I'm gonna tell him right now. Get your fat ass out.
Ooh, shit. Mean. James mean. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to JaniqueJanee TV. Every time I talk to you guys, my birds super get to chirping. When I'm on the phone or whatever, now talking to y'all all the time, they be going at it. Not going at it, but you know, being loud. Anyway, so welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. Today is Friday. I don't know what time it is, but I'm on my way. Sorry, I'm moving around so much. I'm on my way to go get a fill. I broke a nail on 4th of July. It cracked, so that's not too bad. I haven't broken a nail in a minute. So I did break one nail, and I just need a fill. So we're gonna go get a fill, and then I have to. I know it's probably dark. I have to go mail off some packages, and what else do I have to do? I made a video for you guys, the day in the life of me, like me just cooking, whatever I do around the house. That video was pretty much for that. I'm gonna try to come home and edit that today when I get back from running my errands. I'll just put on this Aaliyah dress with some sandals because it's about to be hot today. So anyway, I'm gonna go start the car real quick, let it warm up for me because it's already warming up outside. Hold on, let me check the trash can. The trash, they usually run on Thursday, but because of the 4th of July is on Monday, I put them out this morning. So I have to move the trash can to, what the hell? Oh, I didn't work my car last night. Fucking A. Okay, you guys. Damn, I gotta go move the other one too. I didn't lock my car last night. So anyways, I don't know. I'm really still trying to learn the lighting and the focus on this camera. I've been using my camera, which this is a Sony, to record, and then I also use my phone when I go in the store. I have the iPhone 13. I don't know, and then when I edit the videos, I use what is it, iMovie. So I'm just still trying to learn like my camera and stuff. I've watched so many videos. I don't like that my shit be like grainy. So I'm definitely gonna be paying attention to what's going on. I don't know if it's my camera. Like, I have it on auto exposure because I don't know, maybe I need to take it to Best Buy because it keep jumping like to different settings by itself. And I paid a lot of money for this camera, so the quality should be good and it shouldn't even be doing that. So that's another thing I need to work on, but I'm just gonna make, you know, just try to keep it on an auto exposure, because like right now when I walked outside, it turned white. So I don't know what to do. Okay, you guys, so I am in the car with all my stuff. I'm about to pull off right now. Hold on, let me fix you guys right now. What am I looking for? Oh, my phone. Just making sure I have all my stuff that I need. Let's see, we still on time. Oh shit, no, we gotta go. I didn't know it was that time. I'm looking at the wrong clock, so we about to go right now. I got couple minutos. Okay. I got 8 minutes to get there. I'll be there though. Alright, let's go. I'm glad I looked at my regular phone because my clock say in the car say 9:47, but my phone say it's like 5 minutes quicker. So shit, let's go. I'm glad I looked at it. Sorry if you guys are shaky. I've been telling you guys, well, not in this car, but I had that thing I'm supposed to put, but I ain't got time. You gotta be twisting and my nails. It's just too much work. So I know sometimes when I be in the car, it is jumpy. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. There's a lot of cars coming down the street. Hey guys, I am back. I got my nails done. I didn't get anything special. I just got oh, you guys about to fall. I just got a fill. I just got an ordinary fill, and then she took off the I had the French tip, and you know, I had all the whatever I had. I'm actually, when I get my nails done, I'm more of a plain Jane type of girl. I don't be getting all like extra. I might get a little extra for James' birthday because we going out of town. But usually I know you guys are moving. Hold on. Usually I just get something plain simple and to the point. So this is like right up my alley, and acrylic, just pink. Anywho, so right now I'm on my way to my office to mail out these little packages, and then I think that's it. I'm gonna probably go home and edit some videos or whatever. What time is it? Oh, it's already 12. I'm trying not to eat out. So usually right now I would stop at Starbucks. I'm hungry, but I'm gonna just wait till I get home and eat something. But anyways, you guys, so that's what it is right now. I do have a credit, and actually I have 2 credits at Buffalo Wild Wings. I was thinking about ordering some wings there, but I might just hold on to the credit because what was it, like 2 weeks ago I went to Buffalo Wild Wings and the service was trash. I vlogged it. It was a couple vlogs back. They didn't have ice. The drinks was terrible. It was just bad service all the way around. So what I did was because my bill was like $90, and of course I paid it still, but the service, the food, nothing was worth $90 at all. So I asked for my money back. I called the 1-800 number, asked for my money back, and they actually credit my money. They sent me my money back.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night
you guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday. I don't know what time it is, but today is Saturday. It's probably like, what time is it? I don't know, it's Saturday. I'm about to get ready to reinstall the same unit that I've been wearing, the curly one. I don't know, I really like that hair. It's really good, and it's easy to put on. So I have my wig cap right here, so I'm just gonna throw it on and get ready. So okay, so I got my Gorilla Glue. I'm most likely about to speed this up, but I just wanted to say hola, and I hope everybody's good today. We're going to, me and James, I think Baron going to, you know, Baron and James are sidekick buddies. So we're going to one of my friends. She's having, she don't know yet, but she's having a surprise birthday party today. Her mom is throwing for her. So that's where we're going later, probably around when James off work and everything. We're gonna go over there. So I just decided, let me do my hair right now so that way I gotta do it later. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to install this her, and then probably after that I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So that's what we about to do, you guys. So I'm about to just install.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. I know when the ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know when that
What you wearing today?
I'm gonna break this.
Huh?
Nothing.
What you wearing today? Let me see your outfit. What you got? Let me see. Wait. Y'all already know from my last vlog, my daily vlog, James do these faces so nobody's abusing him.
Come on, man. You is abusing me.
Don't pay him no
I'm
attention.
gonna wear this button up.
Okay.
Them shoes right there behind you on the floor.
Okay.
You ain't even showing them.
These are shoes. Okay.
Those jeans.
That's cute, babe.
Babe. Y'all don't let that nice shit fool you, man. She's not that nice.
For
She's
real?
nice for the vlog. She would whoop my ass.
Now y'all know he lying. Y'all know he lying.
Nice for the vlog, people.
This is what James watch. He watching Cheaters.
Yup. So I know what to look for.
For real.
On your cheating ass. Don't hit me. Don't
That's
hit me.
James.
Don't hit me.
You guys can call him Judja if you want.
She's really violent, y'all. She be hitting me and shit. She's crazy.
When did I hit you?
Right before you turn this camera on,
Y'all know he lying.
she's violent.
He don't get it yet, but he will. Anyway, so
Well, you guys, I took a shit like 10 minutes ago. What I'm supposed to look at?
right here.
I took a shit like 10 minutes ago, y'all, if y'all interested.
No, he didn't, because I was in the bathroom. How you take a shit if I was in the bathroom? Anyways, I'm about to do my makeup, and James probably about to go take a shower and wash his asshole.
Yup.
So we
And
go.
Baron fat ass will be pulling up in a minute, so.
So we go. Look at my skin.
Look at my skin.
You don't gotta get that close in the camera.
Why you want to hit me for? See, y'all? She just wanted to swat me with them damn claws. It's crazy.
Anyway, we be back later. Later before we leave. And period on top of period. Say that. Say a period. Go like that. Period. Hurry up. Come on.
Period.
My hand getting heavy.
Period.
My hand getting heavy.
Your hand is getting heavy.
My hand hurting.
She a little special, y'all.
Say period.
Y'all
Do
know,
it.
right?
Do it.
Period.
With your hand. Go.
Period.
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 Hi there. Good. How you doing? Try to get.
Your fat ass right here, fat ass on the deal, though.
I was busy, fat boy.
What?
Look at my
In your
shirt.
face?
Would you like some food in front of me, motherfucker?
Losing weight, you probably ate it. Fat
Where you get that backpack from?
Man, I think this one took the face the first time. Man, I'm looking.
Stole it last time?
No, motherfucker, I got this.
Thank
from the
you.
store tip.
How much was? How much I owe you?
50.
50. Oh, you charged a delivery fee?
No, it was 49.
Damn.
They went
All right.
They went up again. That's all right there.
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
Okay.
This nigga popped up. Oh, shit.
I just got the show, motherfucker. I need you to,
I got the Hennessy.
Oh, shit. The iron.
yeah, motherfucker.
Oh, that gives me time to drink this. Move. Okay, you guys. So I got the Hennessy. About to take a shot. We'll take a shot.
I always told him he worked 40 hours.
Shut good.
That's the first time you worked 40 hours at that job, huh?
No, motherfucker, I said a long time, motherfucker.
Yeah, ever. This is the first time ever.
Shit, probably all this year, probably my first time
All
this year.
this year, your first time you worked 40 hours. So if you work over 40, you feel like you dying, huh?
Yeah, shit. Motherfucker for that shit. Shit. You gonna take a lift from my lift and a miracle will kiss your ass. Fat motherfuckers.
Oh.
Listen up, Swamp Thing. We ain't gonna go through this fucking shit with your big ass today.
I hear that.
You might fuck around and catch a nut. I ain't got the energy for your bullshit. So you shut your fat ass up.
Who gives a fuck about your energy? Fuck you.
We know you ain't got none. No energy.
Okay, let's go.
Get your big ass up.
This is the dang shame.
Damn fat motherfuckers.
You can't stand yourself. Get your fat ass. Shut the fuck up.
Ooh, it's hot. I haven't been outside all day. Ooh, shit. Mean. James mean.
The fuck you going?
Where you?
Your ass is driving.
How come you got your keys then? See what I said? He said I'm driving. Period. No, I'm not. Period on top of period. Open the car.
Your big ass. Walk right into it, bro.
Woo.
It's hot.
And?
Ooh, it's about to be real hot in here. It's about to be. He needs to get in the sun. Happy birthday! That's Maria and Miranda. It's her birthday. What's my camera showing here? There you go. Hello. One and only. Over here, she got everything. She got every kind of liquor. At my house, this shit would have been gone. She got mad dogs. Who's about to dance? That Baron over there in the corner. Hi guys.
My little friend. I'm good.
From the west side of San Bernardino, west side please don't let the girl be calm.
Nigga, you inside a fucking building.
It's hot in that motherfucker.
You ain't in direct sunlight.
Nigga, put wall came downstairs. Put wall upstairs.
Put wall.
It's another part of the warehouse. They do other shit. Well, mostly like glass or whatever. But upstairs, it's so hot up there. They downstairs now. They made them a place downstairs in the warehouse because it's so hot upstairs.
Okay, fuck all that. Back to this, you eating a whole sweet potato pie by your fat ass self.
Okay, what's wrong with that? I can.
You sit there with a fucking fork and chew that motherfucker
No,
up
with a spoon.
with a spoon. You put ice cream on it too?
No, I don't need ice cream. I don't need none.
So you just eat the whole motherfucking nigga, you don't you be
If I-
shaking
if
for
I-
all that sugar?
Hell no, shaking for what? I be
By the
shaking.
sugar.
I shake when I shit. I might be shaking when I
Nigga
shit.
said
but-
he's shaking when he shit.
I ain't
Because
shaking when I
he's
eat
eating out all
shit.
that damn sugar out his ass. So you shaking when you shit.
Sometimes.
Damn.
Everybody be.
Nah, nigga, you need to go
James.
You need to go get that shit checked.
Your fat ass levitate when you fart.
Hey, I just need the space to let that gas out.
Boom, boom. And then look around like somebody else did it. You did it, you fat
raggedy
motherfucker. You raggedy ass, you did it.
You right.
Yeah, I know. Every time. Boom. And look around. What the fuck?
Hell
You know
yeah.
what? What look around for? You did it. It came out your big
I don't know
ass.
what you're talking about.
Yo, okay.
I plead the fifth.
Yo, okay, Phil. Air compression ass motherfucker.
You know what? You shitty ass.
Fuck you.
Stop eating all them goddamn pies like that.
I eat pie like that, like because my mama ain't making none, mother.
Now
My mom know.
back to that dinner you had the other day with the pork chops.
I plead the
Did
fifth.
you have?
I plead the fifth.
Was there any fucking black fucking little nuggets in that shit?
Yeah, black pepper. I
Yeah.
plead the fifth.
Black roaches. You had roaches in that shit, huh?
Go, Cha-Cha.
No,
Chopping that shit.
Ain't want no
down.
raisins in, motherfucker.
Yeah, nigga.
No, nigga.
That's why your ass had the diarrhea. That's why you stayed in the house. Charlie, shut the fuck. This is not nobody.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday the 11th. I didn't vlog yesterday, and I'm barely vlogging today. James and Baron is right there talking shit. Because I just been getting some stuff done that I had to do. So I know y'all probably can't hear me because
You didn't call the damn ball in the back, motherfucker.
these two.
Your feet too big.
I'll show y'all them.
Your shit, you barely pulled the motherfuckers up.
They over there.
You fat ass. You know you don't fit them damn ankle socks.
Fuck you.
Yeah, just like your glasses.
Anyways, so I just wanted to say hi real quick. You guys are messing up me talking to my friends. I can't even hear what I'm saying. I can't hear what I'm saying.
It's his fault with his big ass. He always come over here talking shit. So of course I gotta hit his ass back.
Oh.
Wearing these fucking ankle socks. No, his ass, he cut the ball off. These are girl socks he got on.
he said he cut the ball
I
off.
got these socks from the man department in Ross.
The man department.
He got them at the man department at
He got
Ross.
them at the woman department at Ross. They had a ball on the back and he cut the balls off. Because them little ass motherfucking socks is not no men's socks.
That's where you got your girl from that you don't use from the women department.
Oh my god. Anyways, you guys, I'll be back later because I know y'all can't hear me.
Get your fat ass.
You just told him to come over here. Now you telling him to get
I'm
out?
gonna get the fuck out. That's what I'm gonna tell him right now.
I was
Get your
joking.
fat ass out.
You ain't gotta leave, Baron.
I ain't gonna leave shit.
Cause he just was looking for you and was wanting you over here.
Huh?
He was like, let me
Because I
go.
saw his fat ass on Facebook.
That's what I was gonna
talking
say.
about he was at the bar. Your fat ass at the bar giving them all your fucking money, so you can just come over here and drink and don't pay shit. But his fat ass want to get a bar that shit.
Okay, but I ain't know your fat ass was off on today because y'all just
All
stepping
on.
on. So your fat ass always got to
Because I work for a living. Your fat ass rather be on
I
the
work for a
couch.
living too, shit.
Yeah, right.
I don't like go to work, but I work for a living motherfucker.
Yeah,
Shit.
sure.
It's
Your
different.
fat ass never want to be at work.
Oh
Fuck
shit.
that job.
You work. You go to work as soon as you get there. You ready to leave.
I'm gonna be back later, y'all, when they done because
We
I
ain't
know.
gonna never be done. Long as this fat ass is here, we ain't gonna never be done.
As long as your fat ass is my peripheral, I ain't gonna never be done with your fat
That
ass.
word is too big for you to use.
Peripheral, like this.
That word is too.
What's up, you guys? What's up? It's me, and I am back. Today will probably be the last day in this weekly vlog, you guys. This vlog, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, it's probably just gonna be like a little whatever, because like this week I just didn't do very much. If you guys haven't watched my day in the life, make sure you guys watch my day in the life. I'm gonna try to do those every week. Yeah, so right now, what's today? Today's Tuesday, and I'm just getting gas. I'm gonna go get my lashes filled in. That's what I'm on my way to in a little bit. Then I'm just gonna put my car through the car wash. I'm just gonna fill it all the way up, because this gas, whatever I put in my car, will probably last me a couple of weeks. So that's what we doing right now. And then I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Let me just get the gas, put this car through the car wash. Then I'm gonna go to my office, and then I'm gonna be on my way to her house to have these lashes filled in. A lot of them fell off in the front for some reason. Like all of these right here fell off. But I don't know, I kind of like when they fall off, because I like that look a little better. I like Mega, I like when she first does them, but I like them when they kind of start to fall off, because they look more... Oh my God, we had $100. Hold on. Okay, this is the only, well, not the only. Every time I come here to get my car washed, I'm gonna put my car through the wash too. It never prints out the receipt, so I gotta go in the store and get it. However, I don't know, y'all about to be slipping and sliding. I'm gonna have to put like a pad or something down where my camera is. It's moving, because what happened was I put a new lens on my camera. And if you're curious, wondering what I've been using as a new YouTuber, vlogger, you guys are sliding. Wait, let me explain myself. So hold on, you guys are sliding. Hold on, so I could tell you guys what happened really quick. It's like moving back and forth. So when I first started doing, you guys are, ooh, hold on, you guys, just hold on. I'm gonna tell y'all in the car wash. Hold on, let me just put this in here. So now I can talk to you guys. So when I first started vlogging, after I brought my camera, I got the camera from Best Buy. It's a Sony camera. I think it was like $700 or $800. So if you want to get this camera, just click the link down below in the description. This camera was, I didn't get it on Amazon, but it's on Amazon. I had brought a case for it, like to put over the camera. It was orange, so it was cool. That's what was keeping the camera stable on my dashboard. But I had originally brought the little sticky thing you put on the windshield, but I don't know, because of the weather out here, it wasn't sticky no matter what I did. It's in the back. And then the way it was just too much. So once I found it was just easier to set you guys right here on the dashboard, that's what I've been doing all this time. So last week I had brought a new lens, because I noticed when I was recording on the 4th of July outside by the pool, the videos were like crazy. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the videos was like all messed up, and I didn't like the quality, and I'm like, well, this camera's too expensive for the quality to be bad, so that's why I added an extender, like the lens, right? Hold on, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's loud. So what I ended up doing was just keep an extender lid on here, and I can tell the difference. My video, it's like super clear. So I don't want to take it made my camera heavier, but the quality it's given is worth it. So that's where I'm at. So now I have everything attached to the camera. except for my tripod. This is the tripod I use, and I got this at Best Buy. But because it's not, it would, the silicone from the case was keeping the camera stable, but now it's not stable because the camera is actually off the ground and the lens is big. So if that makes sense, so the lens is like taking up, it's actually making my camera uneven. So basically, if I put something under the camera, it'll stay even. That's what I'm trying to say. So when my car is done, going through the wash is about to be done, I'm gonna just come back later until I stable, because you guys are about to slide all over the car, the dashboard. Okay, so I'll be back later. Let me just get out this car wash, and then I'll pull y'all back up in a little bit. But honestly, I can tell the difference in the quality because I look super clear. Not saying I back.
Okay.
And she was gonna come
But I want to do the actual lace.
Yeah.
I don't want to do just on and off like that. You know, because usually, even with this one, it's a closure.
Yeah.
And I'm able to, I'll do and braid my hair real pretty underneath. And then after that, I'll, they have clips in it.
Yeah.
So it'll be good. It looks good.
Right.
But lately, there we go.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when the ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing. And I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing.
the end of another weekly vlog. Here you go, Charlie. I just came back from getting my lashes done, refilled. They looking good. Anyways, until we meet again, make sure you guys like, comment. Charlie, tell them like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cha-cha. Tell them like, comment, share. He tried to bite me. And subscribe. Until we meet again. Say bye, James.
Bye.
Deuces.